Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and white pawns are going upward in this direction and black pawns are going downward in this direction. So it's white to play and win, but white must find the only winning move, otherwise it's going to be a draw or even losing. So the scariest thing about this puzzle is the pawn on g3. It's going downward and it's just 2 moves away from winning. So guys, like every day, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So the first thing you may probably think is to move the bishop like this, but it's defended. This is defended and black would just push and you don't have any way of stopping the pawn, right? So you may play here, but black wouldn't care. Black would just make a new queen and it's game over, right? So you can't play that. And because of the king, you can't play here, or you may just try to go around, but that isn't possible because of the king. So all of these moves don't work. The other thing you may probably play is bishop to b2, attacking the pawn. That way you capture the enemy pawn and defend the g1 square, which is the promotion of the enemy pawn on g3. But that doesn't work as well, as black can easily defend that by playing king to d5, right? So here you may just play, you may just push your pawn, but that doesn't matter. Black would just move away, and look at this, you can't stop black from getting a queen, right? So all of these moves don't work. So the correct move is actually to play bishop to c5. Well, you attack the pawn and black has to defend that, right? Black has to defend the pawn, and black would just play king to d5, defending the pawn and attacking your bishop. So what do you play? Well, in this position, the correct move to play is bishop to b6. So guys, you can just pause the video when I talk and when I just clarify and tell the correct moves to just try it by your own. So we play king to bishop to b6. So our idea is to go around and get to the g1 square. In this position, if black pushes, we simply going to give this check. We are going to play pawn to e4. Like I said, you can just pause the video before I said anything else and try to find the move by your own. So what essentially this does is look at the king. The king has to move to one of these 4 squares, but we have a solution for all of them. First, if the king moves to the 6th rank, it leaves the defense of the pawn on d4. That way we would capture that and prevent black from getting a queen on g1. So the king actually can't play to the 6th rank. How about the king plays to e5? What would happen if the king plays to e5? Well, black is still defending the d4 pawn, and looks like this is again a problem. So as all of you might guess, the move is bishop to c7 check, and once the king moves away, it doesn't matter where the king moves, we are going to play bishop to h2 and prevent black from getting a queen. And this way we are going to win the game. One last thing in this position is here, once we push the pawn and give a check like this, black would have an option to play in passant. So what do? We capture the pawn and notice the wall that were created by our bishop and our pawn, and this is going to be a winning, right? So we are going to win this. So this is the solution of the puzzle. For a recap, first we are going to play bishop to c5. Then here black has to defend the pawn, right? Otherwise we would just capture the pawn and prevent black from getting a queen. So black would just play king to d5, and we play king to b6. I mean bishop to b6. So now black can push the pawn and have 4 king moves. These are the legal moves for black. If black pushes the pawn, we give a check by moving e4. So this forces black to move away with the king. So what we are going to do is essentially, if the king moves to the 6th rank, we would just capture the pawn, and if the king moves to e5, we are going to play bishop to c7 check and get to the h2 square to defend the promotion square, right? So this is what we are going to do, and if black captures this, we capture, and this is still winning. So that is what we are going to do if the pawn has been pushed. If this, we are going to play a move like this, it's going to be even easier for us, and this is actually the solution of the puzzle. So guys, thank you for watching up to this point. This is for today. I will see you in the next video. Bye.